Dallas police say the man who killed Zoe Hastings forced her into the passenger seat and kidnapped her. The crime happened 2 weeks ago when Hastings was trying to return a DVD. Today, police are releasing new information. Our Jeff Smith joins us live now. So, Jeff, what have you learned?
Well, Brian, after his arrest this weekend, Dallas police characterized murder suspect Antonio Cochran as a dangerous sexual predator who was put off of the streets. Although in court documents, police documents that we got our hands on today, there is no further detail about that. Keep in mind, Cochran is not charged with any sex crime, but it is important to talk about Cochran's past. We know that earlier this year, Cochran went to a jury trial in Bowie County. He was charged with raping a teenage girl in a car. Now, he was ultimately acquitted back in January, but the Texarkana Gazette covered the court proceedings. They reported that the girl testified under oath. Cochran said that he would kill her in that car unless she would agree to have sex with him. Now, here in Dallas, the U.S. Marshals, along with police, arrested Cochran at an apartment on Saturday. Now, the Marshals are part of a special task force that focuses almost exclusively on violent felony suspects. The U.S. Marshals Office told me it was not a tip that led them to arrest Cochran this weekend, but rather it was weeks of solid investigative police work with Dallas officers, although marshals are not providing any more details about how precisely they were able to track down Cochran in that apartment. They say if they speak more about the investigative techniques, it could jeopardize future cases that are still being investigated right now. We should also point out we tried to speak with Cochran in jail, but he declined our request to talk with him. He is being held on a capital murder charge and being held on a $2.5 million bond. We're live in